Hello students, good morning. In this video we are going to discuss class 9 physics. Okay, I am your Jamil sir. Here is some numericals related to the topics which I have described in the last video. Okay, then firstly watch the last videos and learn about some equation of motions. Okay, and some definitions. Then after solve this problem. Here is a problem. A bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. Then find the acceleration of the bus. Okay. The solution is here. Solution. The speed of the bus is decreases from 80 km per hour. Means initial velocity u is equal to, you can say, initial velocity u is equal to 80 km per hour. Okay. And you have given the time is 5 seconds. Then you have to change this unit in meter per second. Okay. Means this is equal to 80 into 5 upon 80 is multiplied. I have already discussed this. Okay. This becomes in meter per second. Divide कर देना. 2 4s are means 40 is 80, 2 9s are 80. Then you obtain 200 upon 9 meter per second. Okay student. And final velocity कहाँ तक चेंज कर रहा है? Final velocity क्या होगा इसका? V is equal to 60 km per hour. Okay student. This is 60 into 5 upon 18 meter per second. Okay, divide कर देना 30 times 2 से and 9 times. Denominator हम सेम रखना है, ठीक है? Solution के लिए. Means 5 to 15 means 150 upon 9 meter per second. And the time, in which time it is changed? The time t is equal to, you have given time t is equal to 5 seconds. Okay? Second SEC लिख देते हैं. Okay? Then you have to find the acceleration of the bus. By definition of acceleration, by the definition, what is acceleration? Acceleration A is equal to V minus u upon t. Change in velocity upon time taken. Put the value. V की value क्या है? You are given final velocity V is equal to 150 upon 9 minus 200 upon 9 upon time is 5 seconds. Okay student. Then you अपने denominator से subtract हो सकता है. minus 50 आ जाएगा देखो. 150 minus 200 150 होगा. 150 minus 200 क्या होगा? minus 50 होगा upon 5 into 9. Okay student. Divide कर देना 10 times होगा. This is equal to minus 10 upon 9 meter per second. This is the answer. Meter per second square. Acceleration is this. Okay. Minus 10 upon 9 meter per second square. Okay student. Then you can write it minus 1.11 after solution. This minus 1.11 meter per second square. Minus. Okay student. This is the solution. Pause the video and measure solution of this equation. This question. Okay. Similarly, you can solve. Here is the next problem and on page number 103. Same page है. Question number 3. A train is starting from a railway station and moving with uniform acceleration attains a speed of 40 km per hour in 10 minutes. Find the acceleration. You can find. देखो initial velocity इसके लिए क्या है? Starting from rest है. Initial velocity से क्या होगा? U is equal to 0. And it attains the velocity means V is equal to final velocity is equal to 40 km per hour. Time t is equal to 10 minutes. Change it in meter per second. Change it in second. Then by using the definition of the acceleration, A is equal to V minus U upon t, you can solve this problem. Solve this problem by yourself from your side. Now next question on the page number 109. Question number first is here. You have given question here. In this question, a bus is starting from rest, moves with a uniform acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square for 2 minutes. Then find the speed acquires. You have to find the speed acquired. Firstly, what is given in the data? Solution देखो. Solution of this third question. ये first question, page number 109. इसका है solution. अब बस starting from rest means initial velocity u is equal to 0. Okay. And moves with uniform acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square. Means a is equal to 0.1 meter per second square. This is the uniform acceleration for 2 minutes. Time t is equal to 2 minutes. You have given this 2 into 60 seconds. Therefore, you can say time t is equal to 120 seconds. Okay. Then first question is A is here. The speed acquires. You have to find speed. Speed acquires. Means V is equal to question mark. Means final velocity you have to find. Okay. Then which equation of motion is using here? We have three equations of motion. You know. First equation of motion V is equal to U plus AT. Second one is equal to S is equal to UT plus half AT square. And third one is V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Here is three equations of motion. Which equation of motion is used here? You have given U, A, T and V. U, A, T and V is find out. The first equation of motion, you can say by first equation of motion. क्या होगा? V is equal to U plus AT. Okay student, solve this. V is equal to U की वैल्यू क्या है हमारा? 0 plus acceleration is 0.1 and time t is equal to 120 seconds. V is equal to U plus AT. ठीक है. Therefore you can say V is equal to this is 0. यहाँ multiply करोगे 12 1 12 decimal ये 0 हट जाएगा. This 12 meter per second. Okay. This is the speed acquires. Okay. And next is here. Next question is here. The second part is saying the distance traveled. Okay. You have to find the distance traveled. Distance traveled. So distance traveled B. Distance traveled. देखो डिस्टेंस कहाँ मिल रहा है? यहाँ सेकंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन से या थर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन भी यूज कर सकते हो आप. ये तो आपको मालूम हो गया. सेकंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन यूज कर लेते हैं. ट्रैवल बाय सेकंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. सेकंड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन यूज करते हैं. क्या होता है? S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Put the values. S is equal to U हमारा 0 and time 120 is 0. Okay. Plus half A, acceleration is 0.1 you have given and time is 120 seconds you have given 120 square. Okay. Then you can say this is 0, this term is 0. Here is 1/2 into 0.1 into 12 12s are 144 and 0 का square 2 times of 0. Okay. देखो 0.1 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो एक डेसिमल डिजिट हट जाएगा. दिस यू ऑब्टेन दिस 1440 अपॉन 2. डिवाइड करना 7 जा 2 जा and 0 means distance traveled is equal to 720 meter unit. Okay. This is the solution of this given question number first. Okay. And solve the other problems related to this chapter from the page number 109. And if you have any problem, then you can comment on comment box. Otherwise, you can WhatsApp to me. Okay, student. Solve the problems and prepare the topic and complete your notebooks. Okay, student.